What is up, guys? It is another amazing day in KL. It is your favorite travel couple back at it again with another banger video. Today we're going to be on the on-off bus just to scope the scenery out. It is 12 o'clock, well, like 12:30. The on-off bus stops running at 5, so hopefully we get to see a lot, do a lot, and show a lot.
Well, we're on the bus.
KL Hop-on-Hop-off City Tour bus.
For the price that we paid, it just made sense that we follow the routes already created. You know, we don't need to reinvent the wheel.
How much was it?
I can't remember, but you have to compare prices on Booking, Klook, and Agoda. I got ours on Klook.
Tour starts from 9 in the morning until 6 p.m. every day with a hop-on and hop-off
Tua serves as the central hub for the Royal Malaysia Police's operations within the city.
The second tallest building in the world, Merdeka 118 isn't just a skyscraper. It's a symbol of how far Malaysia has come. Standing at 2:44 a.m., the 50-story Maybank Tower was completed in 1987. The Maybank Tower was the tallest building in the world from 1998 to 1998.
We are back with KL's Chinatown history. During the Civil War in 1870, all lives were destroyed due to flooding. The Alcoy, the Chinese capital at that time, asked the miners to remain in Kuala Lumpur and also wanted the people surrounding it.
We are finally in Chinatown, and I believe this would be a great place to eat to start our day. Woo, look at all this durian. Oh. Do you want to go to Michelin? We got the spare ribs. Little dim sum. We're ended up going with Michelin. Just stumbled upon this place. This is good. Give it like a 7 out of 10.
Did you not have any bones? I feel like everything we finna eat finna take a bunch of work.
I got sugarcane herbal tea.
I don't think I've ever had sour plum before.
I told you it's gonna be sour. I've been trying to save you from it. You got sour plum and calamansi. I feel like I'm about to do a
Huh?
I feel like I'm about to do a mukbang for y'all.
A boom boom bak?
A mukbang, baby.
Mukbang?
Oh yeah, a mukbang. I knew that sounded wrong. Okay. What is it called?
What did you call it?
Well, obviously not what it's supposed to be called. So what is it called?
I want to hear what you called it.
Alright. So we're doing a mukbang today. A mukbang today. Look at these big old prawns. We got some clammies. Ooh. It's really refreshing. It's, what is it? Another ginger and lemon. The spices are...
Can't be that refreshing.
This dish right here?
I'm not a big noodle guy. I'm more of a rice guy myself.
But for the flavor of the noodle, what do you give it?
Flavor? I'll give it like a 6.5.
I was hovering around 7, 7.5. I think we like more explosive flavors, I guess. This is such a good,
It's solid.
homey feel. Like if I was like cramping or if I just needed a pick-me-up. This is a very solid dish. This is a really good comfort dish. I love the soup. The amount of clam that they give you, this is a very generous amount of clam. Atmosphere is nice. Gosh. All of these tenders. I like our bus because it actually has a covering and there's AC. And then some buses, they use AI translators to tell you about each place that we're passing. This bus does not have that. So you give and take. because this bus at least has AC on the top floor. The other one only had a cover that we were on, but it did have descriptions of each place that we were passing. How's your experience so far on the bus?
I think it'll be good. Like, if it's your second day here, you want to just kind of see everything, get a lay of the land. It's been cool. It's hot though, so sitting outside with the non-cover at 2 o'clock is not ideal, but it's cool.
You can buy a ticket for 24 hours or 48 hours. And if you're a foreigner, you do pay a little bit more. And if you're Malaysian, you also get a local discount. So that's great. Changing post. Wow. We're back at yet another mall. We're at Centra. Oh shoot.
I need some Thai tea, y'all.
He's been craving it for days now. We are at Sunway Putra. It's one of the last stops on the garden tour of the hop on and off bus. I didn't realize that there's 2 routes that you could go on. And thankfully it's 24 hours. So we can do the other loop tomorrow since we started late today. Oh, and always keep your ticket on you because you need your ticket to get back on and off the bus, or back on the bus. I recommend it. It was very affordable. At first we were so against it because we thought it'd be expensive, like very expensive. But for the both of us, we paid about 17 USD. And that's for non-Malaysian passports. We finally got the goods, y'all.
It's a little better. It was better than the one last night. That burger was getting on my nerves.
I liked the one last night. No.
Tell me where the best Thai tea in the city
Please.
is.
Because it's not at this place.
What is a franchise? We're at Absolute Thai.
Oh. Okay, wait, I mixed it up a little bit better. The sweetness is at the bottom. I didn't get to it yet.
It's not in mine.
I think it's like stuck together because I just got like a whiff, like I got a whole gulp of it.
I'll stir mine pretty good.
Okay, let me try again. No.
Too watered down.
But what I'm
It's
thinking,
like watered down.
it is watered down. And so my thing is because I see that there's options for less sweet in a lot of places. So do Malaysian people just not
Where was
like
we getting
too
our
much
Thai
sweet?
teas in Thailand? Just everywhere?
Stalls.
And it was all good?
Yeah.
Bro, I was not a big Thai tea guy before I left the States. When we got to Thailand, she kept getting the Thai teas. And once I got put on, I almost turned into a mango smoothie and a Thai tea combined. Like, that's all I was drinking.
For like people that just really like tea and don't like sweetness, like this can do, but
It doesn't
We were
even
expecting-
taste. It
Yeah.
didn't even taste like tea when we was in Thailand, bro. It was like a
so good.
different concoction. Like, I don't know what they was doing. The aunties were just sticking their feet in them drinks. That tea in Thailand was crazy.
it's really good. Yeah, but maybe just Malaysian people don't really like too much sweetness.
We gotta go to like a stall or something. I know they got it out here. This tastes like the ice been sitting in it for 45 minutes, and then they just put more ice in it.
It's really watered down.
And why? And we just got it. I don't know if my expectations were just too high or if I'm just disappointed. 4 out of 10.
I think that if you've seen enough videos, my face tells it all. I don't even need to give a rating. We got the chicken
Basil.
basil. No, 7 out of 10. Like 6.5 out of 10. I give it a 6 out of 10. No, I give it a 6.5 out of 10.
Not like a 6.8.
The flavor's there, yeah.
Yeah, not bad, but I wish this was a little more crispy.
Oh no. Are you being serious?
Bro,
How do you make this more crispy?
let me cook it.
You don't understand how I pan the camera. Look at here. Who's blowing the budget?
It has occurred to me that people that aren't from Texas don't know what a kolache is.
Y'all, kolaches are delicious.
Go and look up a kolache. We'll put the spelling down below.
It's like a pig in a blanket, but it's so much better at Shipley's, I promise. Or even Kolache Factory. Yeah, I think it's called Pigs in a Blanket.
That's
or
a long
Kolache
heated
Factory.
debate for Houstonians.
Kolache Factory.
The best donut shop. I can tell you right now, it's not Krispy Kreme.
Oh, I promise.
Krispy Kreme not even up there.
They don't have kolaches here.
I'm just talking about donuts in general.
Oh. So why are we here breaking the bank, huh?
The same reason you got. Oh, okay, yeah.
I got Tim Hortons.
Yeah.
And then I got a ginormous one because I thought he was going to share it with me.
For last destination, stop number 1 Sunway Plaza room service. Please make sure all your belongings and tickets are safely with.
I've been sitting on the top of the double-decker bus for a while, and it's during traffic hour, and I noticed that no one has even honked yet. There's no sounds of honking. Oh wait, that's funny. I just heard a little honk. Not saying that people don't honk here, but the honking culture, like, there's a lot of places where the honking culture is that you honk for everything, and to like let people know that they see you, like in Vietnam, is honking for everything, so that you're communicating with each other, and especially because there's like a lot of motorbikes. But here so far, you barely hear anybody honk. And then I just don't feel like, I think I mentioned the honking culture because in the States, honking is such a negative connotation. Or even in like Haiti or Latin America, like all these places that I've traveled to, honking is not a bad thing. But when it comes to the States and cutting somebody off, or like everybody road rages, and I haven't seen occurrences of road rage here in Southeast Asia and a lot of places that I've seen. But it's always some type of crazy road rage in the States. And I really would love to change that. Like honking doesn't have to be a bad thing. But now I do understand, like coming from countries where, you know, it's perceived as not cutting off. You're actually just everybody drives slow, and you're actually just going. You're getting yourself out into the lane, and that's fine. But in the States, it would be considered as, oh my gosh, you just cut me off, and it'd be a whole issue. So I do understand where, like, when you have multiple cultures living in the same place, like in the States, there's a lot of miscommunication because there's different driving cultures. You're coming from different driving cultures, and you're going into one. But I've told myself, like, when I go back to the States, I'm just gonna be chill driving. Like, it's gonna be okay as long as I get to my destination safely. But I do understand just the cultural differences when it comes to driving. All right, y'all, we are headed to do a laundry. We've been really spoiled, and we were really spoiled in Indonesia. We haven't had to do laundry in a whole month because they didn't have self-service laundry mats. Actually, I think it was like very rare to see a self-service laundromat. So we just had to pay. So we would pay our accommodations to do it for us. But now there's plenty of laundromats in Kuala Lumpur. So we're headed there. And if you haven't already, you gotta watch my video for my last day in the Philippines, because I told y'all, I show y'all how to roll up clothes like army style so that you can save space and be efficient in your packing. I promise y'all, I am the queen of packing when it comes to long-term travel. But yeah, check out that video. And in that video, I eat chicken gizzards. And tell me if you've eaten that before, because it's delicious. Hey y'all, it is the next day and it's move out day. So we're gonna show you a tour of our room. And as you've seen from the last video, we have now upgraded from that budget room that y'all saw, which that room was like $18, okay? We're still at Bestow Hotel, which is for all budgets. The other room that we were in at first, they had shared bathrooms, but this room has a private room. So this is their standard room. And then you gotta climb some stairs.
It is so nice having a dedicated, like, this is the restroom area, this is the desk area, and that's the sleeping area.
And this is the sleeping area, and the AC is nice. So I like the unique architecture. And then this is a really cool part. Y'all probably already know we don't care for pools, but this is their hot tub. And then shared bathrooms. But this place is cool because it has a prayer room as well. A place for people to hang out. So a good mix between a hostel and a hotel.
It has 2 pools.
Right?
That's crazy. We've never stayed anywhere for this amount that had 2 pools.
We always talk about how it's a hassle to get wet and like put your bathing suit on and all that stuff. So we don't even get to enjoy this amenity. But now we're at the rooftop.
And it's also centrally located. So you're close to Berjaya. It's right across the street from Berjaya Times Square.
That's why we were able to go back to the theme park. They give you a discount on food when you stay here.
You get free drinks every day. And they have a nice little restaurant downstairs, very accessible, and a seating area outside.
Thank y'all for watching the video. If you haven't already, check out the theme park.
Oh my God. That video was so fun editing. Make sure y'all go and check that out. Make sure you check out our playlist. We've been traveling Southeast Asia for about 5 months now. Some exciting stuff in there.